Want to make your website navigation more personal and effective? Today, I'm going to show you how to add custom links to your WordPress menus quickly and easily. First, log into your WordPress dashboard with your credentials. Once you're in, head over to the left-hand sidebar and hover over Appearance, then click on Menus. This is where all the magic happens. You'll see your menu editing screen right in front of you. If you have multiple menus, don't worry. At the top, there's a Select a Menu to Edit dropdown. Pick the menu you want to customize and click Select. Now you're ready to add that custom link. On the left-hand side, look for the Add Menu Item section. Here, you'll see an option called Custom Links. Click it to expand and you'll be able to enter any URL along with the text you want your visitors to see. Once you've added your link, hit Add to Menu and it will appear in your menu structure on the right. From here, you can drag and drop the link to place it exactly where you want. When you're happy with the arrangement, don't forget to click Save Menu to lock in your changes. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you can add any custom link to your WordPress menus, making your site more functional and user-friendly. Start experimenting with links that lead to your favorite pages, external sites, or even special promotions, and watch your navigation come alive.